this thing finally falls off, and I happen to see it. A fresh edge, okay? See that? Looking good, right? Eli's been doing an awesome job. As you guys know that I hate shoveling. I can't stand it. About 3 inches of snow so far. We were supposed to get 4 to 6, so I'm a little disappointed. But we're supposed to get a lot more starting tonight and all through tomorrow. And now they're saying 15 inches of snow possible. So I'm really looking forward to that. Of course, they downgraded it because it was like 18. That's how the weather people work. They got to downgrade it a little bit. They got to hype it all up, get people's attention, and then downgrade it. But if we get 15 inches of snow, I'll still be pretty happy. That'll be fun. So 3 inches right now. We're gonna go move a little bit of snow and we're gonna have some fun, so come along. Hey there, everybody. We're just moving some snow. I don't know if you remember this guy. I think I only got you like on YouTube one time last year, right?
Yeah.
Once or twice. You've gotten a lot taller. How tall are you now?
5'9".
5'9" in 6th grade. It's 5'9" in 6th grade. What size shoes you got?
10.
10? He's a growing boy. You're taller than your dad, aren't you?
Yeah.
And mom? Yeah. I tell you, I appreciate you clearing snow. You do a good job.
Thanks.
You want the world to know anything about you? Want to say hi to your girlfriend? Eli's been doing an awesome job shoveling snow because you guys know that I hate shoveling. I can't stand it. And I appreciate that he gets close up to the garage doors, takes care of the sidewalks. And we've got ourselves a big storm coming tonight. I think it's supposed to start around 3 or 6 o'clock or whatever. And we're supposed to get 10 more inches of snow at least. So, are you looking forward to it?
I don't know.
I can see the excitement in your face. You're a little colder than I am. I get to sit in the cab and be nice and warm, but I appreciate what you're doing, so keep up the good work. You're all done with basketball? You got swimming going on right now?
Yeah, I do have swimming actually.
Okay, you're on the swim team.
Yeah.
You're pretty fast. You got huge feet, so you're like Michael Phelps, right? Yeah. And then in the springtime, it'll be baseball?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Say hi to Eli, everybody. All right, keep on tractoring. Let's get some more snow cleared. I'm gonna take a little break from plowing snow. I gotta tell you guys a funny little story though. See this little thing? This is a light that I sometimes use for filming and camera and stuff like that. And it's different colors. It can be any color that I want it to be, right? I don't know why it's red right now. I think, oh, I can change it like that. Okay. Let me tell you the story here. Here's what happened. Last night, I'm out here getting the snowblower ready, and I turned over my UMWHPWXYZ. I can never remember the acronym for this poly stuff. I turned this over so I have a fresh edge, okay? See that? Looking good, right? I stuck this light under here because it's magnetic, okay? And it lit things up, and it helped me light it up, and I could see what I was doing. I forgot to take it off last night. I thought that I did, but apparently I had forgot because I was just snowblowing the sidewalk, and I hit a little bit of a bump kind of where the sidewalk is uneven with another piece of sidewalk, you know, and this thing fell off. But I didn't know it until I went back the other way and I saw it sitting on the ground. I'm like, what is that? It can't be. No way. For somehow, some way, it did not go through the snowblower. It only has a couple tiny little nicks on it. It still works. I can't believe it. What luck. And this thing's like 20 bucks or something, right? Maybe 30. I don't know. I can't believe that just happened. And I was able to save this little guy. And that's something. And this was the last thing that I did. I snowblowed all the townhomes, most of the sidewalk, my driveway, the neighbor's driveway. And one of the last things that I was doing, this thing finally falls off, and I happen to see it. Crazy, crazy. My neighbor's over there with the John Deere. Not sure what model that is, but you saw him in the video a little bit plowing snow. He's having fun as well, so it's what we do, I guess, in Minnesota. It snows, we go out and clear it and pretend it's fun. But it is kind of fun. I stayed nice and warm in the cab, and we'll do some more snow clearing videos. We're supposed to get, like I said, probably 10 to 15 inches or so. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate it if you guys would give this a like and definitely comment. All right, give me a comment. If nothing else, just let me know where you're from. And until next time, keep on tractoring, and God bless.